I never felt too lucky, but then you came and saved me from me. I almost lost my faith in God's design. You found a way to make me change my mind. And I hope you can see you got this hold on me, baby. Even when you drive me crazy, I spend my life stuck here by your side,